Quand la musique t'appelle, laisse-toi te bercer par sa quête d'essence. Écoute-la aveuglément, ton âme t'en sera reconnaissante. Laisse-moi dormir sous les traces de nos anciens nous marchons. Sous des sons tortueuses et accidentées, nous avançons. L'amour de la reconquête de nos valeurs enfouies en nous. Retour vers le passé, nous voulons que nos liens soient. Car celui qui marche sans avoir son histoire dans la tête, et comme un faible oiseau surpris par une forte tempête, il n'avance pas et il regrette un grand pas jusqu'à ce que définitivement s'arrête ses pas. Autant que sans ses racines, un arbre n'est rien. Avec la méconnaissance de nous-mêmes, nous ne sommes rien. Congo, donne-nous la force de tes eaux puissantes, la sagesse de tes femmes vivantes, la grandeur de tes majestueuses forêts, le caractère admiratif de tes épopées. Congo, ressource-toi près des forces. Prends la main que tu tends le panier quand tu touches le fond. Tu es un massa, tu es un téké, tu es un zoulou, tu es un peur, tu es un malinké, tu es un Koubantou, tu es un Bantou.
Yele, yele, mundira, gongo, 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 monongele mundilo kongo monongeti kwenda komme muna kongo mbuilo pembungile omundilo kongo mbanguza mendungili omundilo kongo nola zambe zizele muna kongo nyoka moyo bonekende muna kongo mwana numba bantele muna kongo mwana numba bokele muna kongo waitate muna kongo waitate muna kongo omatanuzi morekende muna kongo sipovilanga pakundu muna kongo endundu zipelekete muna kongo endundu zipelekete muna kongo ila kese tunamona muna kongo ila makinu tunakina muna kongo patata luisa tunakweto muna kongo mama luisa tunakweto muna kongo olusolele kumambu meno muna kongo monongeli gele kombe muna kongo kidika gele kwenda muna kongo monongeli gele kombe muna kongo monongeli kombe muna kongo.
Kiambote. Oh, welcome, Tata David. Kiambote nengo tadiwa.
Kiambote Tata Mpanzu.
Oh, let us say hello to the audience. Hello, Kiambote. Ngizambote. Ngizambote means welcome. Welcome to our class, Kikongo class. Please do not move. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom. I don't say former Congo Kingdom. No, Congo Kingdom, because we are here. Okay, Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, and Congo Brazzaville. Tutondele. Okay, let me share my file. Is it visible? Let me just make it big. Okay, is it okay? Can you see my file?
Hello.
Yes, Tata Yes.
Hello.
Oh, Tutondele. Okay. Let me just say one thing. We did present continuous, kumbanza, kuzandu. Okay, anyway, we're going to practice later. Kuzandu itakwenda, yes? Continuous. Present continuous. Present tense, kumbanza Congo izinganga. Yes, Tata David?
Mm-hmm.
Continuous is your, as long as put a, let's say in Congo, ita is your continuous. Kuzandu itakwenda. I'm going to the market. I live in Banza Kongo. Kumbanza Kongo izinganga. So your personal pronoun is just e for the present tense. Continuous, you add ita. Is it clear, Tata Levi? Nengo tell you.
Yes.
Okay, now this is present perfect indicative, yes? Everything is there. English is there as well, yes. Past tense is is hard. We leave it for later time, yeah? Past tense. You don't live in the past.
Yeah.
Past tense, present and future. Remember, our future is Isinga. Yeah, Nunga Tadiwes.
Yes.
Future is Isinga. Singa is your auxiliary. Singa is like wheel. Isinga, Usinga, E, Singa, E is your I, your first
person.
pronoun. Yeah, first. Yeah, let me just close my window so it's hot. There's a noise. Okay. Yeah, this is present perfect. We have dia to eat. I've eaten. Sorry, it's noisy here. Yes. The verbs are there. Then we have English. So dia, ndi. I mean, this is the full conjugate. You have to conjugate. I mean, from the first. We have from first to the last plural. Can you see it?
Yeah. So to say I have eaten is ndidi.
Well done. Yes.
Okay. All right.
You just go ahead. Yeah. No, you don't use the first personal pronoun because your personal pronoun. I mean, your first. Keep this in mind. Take note. First person is always nasal in Kikongo. All the verbs. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So by using the nasal, by saying ndi, we got it. Okay, this is a personal pronoun. 1 minute. That all is here. Welcome, Tatavi.
Kimbo, how everybody doing?
Yeah, Kimbote. Where's the sister?
She'll be here in a few seconds.
Okay, good. Okay, let me just go back. Today we're learning perfect tense, present perfect indicative. Yes. Present perfect indicative. We're not teaching the past yet because past tense is very hard. We leave it. I mean, she's here. Kiambote sister.
Kiambote.
Unama vimpi. Okay.
Is there any way that you can make that a little larger?
Okay. Let me just do this.
Oh.
Is it better now?
I see it. Yeah.
Is it better? Okay, yes. Let me try to write something. Ita. Present tense. 1 minute, I'm going to explain something. Okay, present continuous. Your ing is your ita. Remember, e. I'm saying in Kikongo, e is your first single personal pronoun. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Remember, ita, kuzandu itakwenda, kuzandu utakwenda, kuzandu katakwenda, kuzandu tutakwenda. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, you go to yes. Yeah, let's say I'm going to the market. Kuzandu itakwenda. Well, I'm just going to change. I'm going to Mbanza, Congo. Mbanza, Congo itakwenda. I live in Mbanza, Congo. Kumbanza, Congo izinganga. First single, ita is your ing. In English, let's say, just e is your Personal pronoun. Any questions? Tataudi.
No, I'm fine.
Yeah. Ita. Sister Candace, get questions.
No questions so far.
Oh, thank you very much. So, recap. Continuous, present continuous. I'm going to the market. Kuzando itakwenda. You are going. Tata. Okay, anyway, let's try to practice that. Tata, Nemgo Tadiwa, second single, second person, Nemgo Tadiwa, singular, yes. Nemgo Tadiwa.
Also,
I'm going to the market. Kuzando itakwenda, first singular, yes. Second.
okay. Kuzando utakwenda.
Yes, thank you. Tata David, the third singular, please. Kuzandu.
Okay. Kuzandu itakwenda.
Now, the third person, kata kwenda. Yes.
Yes.
Remember,
First person.
yeah, the first person, A-I, yeah. Kuzandu itakwenda, kuzandu utakwenda, kuzandu kata kwenda. Yeah, first plural.
Kuzandu
Tata Audi.
kwenda. That's right.
Tata Audi, first plural, please. Kuzandu.
Kuzandu itakwenda.
That's the first singular. I want first plural. Remember, tuluba for the plural, the person.
Okay. Don't have my paper with me. Is Tuluba?
This is your
Kuzandu.
This is no. I'm confusing you. So sorry.
I'm looking at the same thing. I'm looking at this perfect tense or something. So I was thinking it was in there.
No, sorry, it's me. Tuluba is your formula, just to try to remember the persons plural.
Okay,
for first plural, you have two. For second plural, you have lu. Third plural, you have ba.
Okay, hold on, just looking for the paper.
Yeah. Don't worry, it's there. Don't worry. Don't worry about the paper. Can you see it? Can you see it? Click on the screen. Don't worry. On the screen. Can you? Don't worry about the paper. Can you see here? We have a two lu ba. Yes.
Okay.
First singular, second. Sorry. First plural, second plural. Third plural.
So you which one you want me to say?
We just tried. Went back to reviewing continuous, present continuous. Kuzandu itakwenda, kuzandu utakwenda, you singular. Kuzandu katakwenda, third singular. Kuzandu tutakwenda is tu. Kuzandu lutakwenda, kuzandu batakwenda, a third plural.
Okay, so you want me to say the third plural or?
No. To say first plural, you taking from this one, you're taking that tu, then you apply, you use your verb accordingly. Kuzandu tutakwenda, yes, for the first plural.
Okay, kuzandu tutakwenda.
Yeah, we're talking about present continuous. Present tense, just your I, kuzandu itakwenda. Okay, any question? Because we want to move to present perfect indicative. The one on the screen. Sister Candace, any question on this one?
No.
That was just a quick recap. Okay. Here we're talking. I was saying to Tata David, present tense is very hard in the Congo, so we leave it for later. So don't worry about the past. You don't live in the past.
Yeah.
we focus on present and future. Remember, our future is singer. Singer is auxiliary. Yes, remember,
Yes,
singer.
I will.
Yes, I will. Yes, singer is the one you use auxiliary for your future. Here we have present perfect tense. So ja is to eat. First person. Ndidi. D. Remember, your first person is nasal always in Kikongo. Dr. Audrey, can you read? Is there on your screen? Can you read? I've eaten. The verb is there.
Indeedy.
Yes. Be careful. You don't read the N. The N is there just for your nasal. Ndidi, please.
Okay, Indeedy.
Yeah, well done. Ndidi. Remember, let me just try to use my pen. See this accent for your nasal, your long vowel. See the accent on I,
Yeah.
long vowel.
Indeedy.
Well done. Okay. Here you don't use your pronoun, personal pronoun. Ndidi is your first singular. Didi. Then when it comes to plural, it's easy. You just use the prefix for first plural, second plural.
So like two would be the first.
Yeah, Lou
would be the second, and Bob would be the third.
Yeah, well done. Yes. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Tutondele. Okay. I've learned. Sister Candice, please. First singular, please. Ndongo Kele. Is there Ndongo Kele? The verb is here. Ndongo Kele. Can you try to read, please?
Is it Longoka Ndongo Kele? No.
Yeah, well done. Ndongo Kele. Yes, Ndongo Kele. Yeah, Ndongo Kele.
Nogo. Is it Nogo Kele?
Ndongo Kele. You have a nasal twice here.
Ndongo Kele.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ndongo Kele. Thank you very much.
Ndongo Kele.
Yeah. Nengwa Tadiwa, we've learned.
Tulongo Kele.
Yeah, well done. Tata David. I have seen.
Okay, when?
Yes, thank you. Remember long vowel. Mbwene. Again, Tata David, please. Mbwene.
When?
Yes. Then you
That's
carry on
a big
Mbwene.
change from the word Mona to when,
You're right. It is tricky. Yeah, you're right. Because somehow we have to find a nasal for the very first person. See?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't have your cake and eat it. You see? Here, the easy thing is you don't use your first pronoun. Yes, you don't use uba, you. At least for the first singular. Yes. I have worked. That name tell you.
Sadidi.
Tadidi. Well done.
Sadidi.
Yes, we have that. Audi, we have worked.
We have two Sadidi.
Well done. Yes. Sister Candace, please. Sompa. Sompa is to borrow. Yes. Sompa is to borrow. You have long vowel. Sompele. Sister Candace, please.
Sompele.
Yeah. It's in the sun, it's in the blood. Yeah, well done. I like the tone. Yeah. And then what can you help us? Sompele means to borrow, but
It
it
also
means
means to
something
marry. To marry.
to marry. Did you hear that? See, brother, to marry.
Mm-hmm.
So, Bakongo people, you borrow from other people's family, no?
Oh wow.
Yeah. I mean, this is my. It's not them. I'm just.
So that means
me.
can you give it back?
This is me. This is my understanding. I mean, it's me, not the elders. I think maybe because you take someone from their own tribe, from their own kanda, remember, then clan, you make them. I mean, okay, yeah, I may be wrong. Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, I was going to say that the kanda is for all eternity, but the marriage is just for one lifetime.
Well done. You done it.
So it's borrowing.
You're borrowing. So you're borrowing. Yes.
So you're
Then
just a steward over it.
Sorry.
Yeah.
You're just a steward over it.
That's right.
Yes.
We're just borrowing for one generation. And we pass on to the next.
Yes, you're borrowing, yes. Now, Tubakongo people, remember we learned Luvila, Tubakongo people, your ID, when I say ID, I mean your Luvila, your Kanda, and your Kise. You remember Kanda, your mom's line, yes? Kise, your dad's line.
Yes, mom's lineage.
So this is sacred, you know. You can't be, you should, I mean, you can't become another people Kanda member, yes. That Nengwa Tadiwa, I have carried first single, of course.
Dete.
Yes. Dete. Okay, now we're going to talk. Let me just try to put an object. Something familiar to all of us. Make it easy. Here, as I said in the past, we have to try to simplify a language. What is Mbwenge? Nengwa Candace, remember Mbwenge? It is beans, by what kind of bean? Mbwenge.
Mwenge.
It is Tata Dave, remember Mbwenge? Something with
Black Eyed
eyes.
Peas.
Yeah.
Yeah, who
That's
said
right.
that?
That's right.
Adi.
Black Eyed Peas.
Yeah. Yeah, Mbwenge. Remember, Kikongo, don't worry about, don't worry, you don't, I'm trying to say, words in Kikongo, the last vowel, it depends on the variant. Mbwenge, some people say Mbwengi. Are you with me, yes?
Aren't we missing a W after the B?
Oh, well done. Okay, well done. Sorry, let me try to correct. Mbwenge, yes.
Yeah, I thought I remembered there being a W there. Yeah.
Well done. So remember, Mbwenge.
Mbwenge.
People,
Mwenge.
some people say Mbwengi. Yes. Mbwengi.
Mwenge.
We say Matondo in my area. The elders, they say Mbwengi. People will have, no, they say Matondo. People will have heavy accent. Yes. Okay, I'm going to test you now. That's how do we. I have carried black-eyed peas. Remember object first.
Mwenge.
Yeah.
Dete.
Well done, bravo. Mbwengendete, yes. Is it clear? Correct? Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mbwengendete. Yes. Nzimbu. Nzimbu means that. Do you remember Nzimbu?
Yeah. Market.
Zandu market. Nzimbu. Something you put on your wallet every morning, every day.
Money.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Money. Yes. I have borrowed money. Remember, object is Nzimbu. That Nzimbu is your object.
Nzimbu. Nzimbu. Sompele.
Well done. Wow. I like your accent. Well, yes. Just go back to the mainland. You know. Nzimbu Tompele. Yes. Titondele. Salu. Here we were talking about Kikongo. How to translate it into English. We say in Kikongo, but in English wouldn't be okay. Just for the sake of Kikongo learning, Salu is work. In Kikongo, we say in Kikongo, literally we say I have work. Yes. Okay. Salu, I've worked. Use Salu as your object, then here is there your verbs here. Then go at Sister Candace. Salu, yeah, your object Salu, then your verb. Sala.
Salu
Ntadidi. Salu Ntadidi.
Salu Nsadidi.
Well done, yeah, bravo. I like you. You're doing well, no? I mean, as you can see, Kikongo is tonal language. Your nasal, your long vowel is key to good pronunciation. I mean, to good. It's good speaking to speak properly Kikongo, yeah, because you can say something, you can say word, but if it does not match the proper, how to say it, the proper nasal, the proper tone, you lose the meaning. Are you with me?
I have a question.
Go ahead, Tata David.
For first person singular, it's sadidi, but for where does the accent fall on second and third?
Sorry, Tata David.
Yeah, for the verb sala, for for the first person present perfect indicative, it would be sadidi, but for the second and third, is it the accent? Is it on sadidi, or is it sadidi for both of those two?
Yeah, for both. This one here you have your nasal, sadidi, the first.
Right.
Then sadidi, no change. First,
Okay,
second.
the accent is still on the first syllable.
Yes.
Okay.
Only the first, yes. Any questions? Nengo Gardens? I know it is hard.
For
No
the
questions.
for the
Thank you.
first for would you say Nasadidi like that, or like Nesadidi, or
No.
just say Sadidi?
No. I keep saying that. Remember that N is there for your nasal. Ntadidi, yes. Ntadidi, yes. You don't read the N. You don't say N sadi. No.
You just say
Ntadidi.
Sadidi.
Ntadidi, yes. Let me just bring Tata. Hello, Tata Kwasi. Are you there, Tata Kwasi? Oh. Nengwa Teddy, are you there? Yes.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. I have eaten Black-eyed peas. Then go to the please.
Mbwenge ndidi.
Ndidi. Again, please.
Ndidi.
Again, tell the
Okay. Mbwenge ndidi.
Well done. We have eaten black-eyed peas. Tata David, please.
Wenge tudidi.
Yeah, be careful. Careful for long vowel.
Oh, Wenge tudidi.
Yeah, well done. Mbwenge tudidi. Ludidi, you many badidi. Yes. Okay. I have laughed. Me. Tata Audrey.
In Sevele.
Ntevele.
In Tebele. In Sevele.
Yeah. Ntevele. Tata David, give plan. Ntevele.
Sebele.
Ntevele.
Sebele.
Ntevele.
Nsevele.
Well done, well done. Tata Kwesi, are you there? I'm sorry. Have you got this file? I think I did send it to you. Yes? Have you all got this file, Tata David, yes? Tata Audi. Yeah, we just go to focus on these verbs. We don't worry about other verbs. Very hard. Don't worry about the past tense. We don't live in past, yeah? Don't worry about the past. We focus on the present, continuous, present perfect, and the future. Okay. I think we got it. Okay. Tata David. I've remembered first, yeah.
Yeah, that would just be Sungamene.
Remember your long voice here? Tungamene.
Tungamene.
Yeah, damn. It is hard, yeah. Anyway, you're doing well, yes. Mona, but the big change here. Mbwen. Yes. Any question? Otherwise, we should call it a day. It should be okay. I don't want to make it hard to you. The other question is not. I think it's not there. Yeah. Let me just say hello. Someone's greeting us. Kiambote Tata Musenga, sorry. Sister Candace, what's your impression? Is it very hard to learn this one, the perfect, present perfect indicative?
Yeah.
It is hard. Yeah?
All of it's hard.
Oh yeah, I was about to say all of it's hard.
You are brave people. We don't have choice. We have to honor our ancestors, you know? It is hard. Right. It is hard to me as well because I have to make sure that I make it easier for people to learn, yes? I have to read books and books. Yeah. Anyway, we don't have choice. We have to honor our ancestors, yeah. Tutondele. Thank you very much for your time. Tutondele. Sita Monana. We'll see you on Sunday.
Ingeta.
Okay, Ingeta. Sala Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Kietu yangani kawauko iwao bombele meso mwene isibudi matu uidi ikonzo dienu Eno luvo vangavo kongo jafwa Eno luvo vangavo kongo jafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu bizatala kwenwe
kaende nsangu omuza bimba emwana kongo kalegezi songe ngangu yeti nkulu kyako arima toko jojola Sopa du Emerson Kingi
Que no lo vanga bo Congo diafwa Que no lo vanga bo Congo diafwa Bizata la kwenwe Eya la kulu Bizata la kwenwe Que kulumbi bikansi Congo diatungwa Que no lo vanga bo Congo diafwa Que no lo vanga bo Congo diafwa Bizata la kwenwe Eya la kulu Bizata la kwenwe Que kulumbi bikansi Congo diatungwa.
Sou tipo Sócrates, tudo que vou fazer hoje ficará marcado na memória. Se o jogo já está no fim, agora chega, vou-vos dar vitória. Que Mavumba é minha terra, banda sagrada para todo mundo. Para o vosso consciente, cortei a corrente, voltei bem quente e diferente. Instalei um circuito fechado, muitos tentaram, lhes deu errado. Como diz o velho ditado, a Congo não falha, mas sim atrasa. Tata, moana, eu sou pai, então não se engana. Se o poder não se dá, a cultura banto não se esquece. Terra do mano em Totila, quem conhece Nini e Alukeni. Ou melhor, Zinganguvu, Mama Kimpavita. Terra dos assimilados, Afonso I, Simão Kimbangu. Pulumbinga, Lando Vitor, Antônio Dembo, Tetelando, Tabessa Manguana. Terra de Makuta Nkondo, Yannick Ngoma e Tatangana. Onde fica mercado do Luvo, Pulumbimbi e o Yalampu. Pedra do Fitizo e também a ponta do padrão. Os falos de Mbanza Congo, o patrimônio mundial da cultura. General sem passadores. Mapuntuala, Tata Mandila Massanda. Moana Cassandra de Mbau, que mafundo, uasa.
Que no lo vanga bo Congo diafwa Que no lo vanga bo Congo diafwa Bizata la kwenwe Eya la kulu Bizata la kwenwe Que kulumbi bikansi Congo diatungwa.
Vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, venha conhecer o patrimônio, venha conhecer o Culumbimbi em Mbanza onde está.
Agradecemos a todos aqueles que preservam a cultura nacional. A Sua Excelência Governador da Província do Zaire, ao Conselho de Ancião e o seu responsável do Lumbo, Afonso Mendes, Papá Matalulu, Farmácia Salaquaco, chefe de Beste, a FEPRO, elenco do 6, do Butulama todo, com Buta Muito Socorro.
Vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, venha conhecer o patrimônio, venha conhecer o Culumbimbi em Mbanza onde está.
Yeti kwenda kwa memuna Congo Mbuilo pembongele omundila Congo Mbanguza mendungili omundila Congo Ngola zambe zizele muna Congo nyoka moyo mone kende muna kongo. Oh mwana numba bantele muna kongo. Oh mwana numba bokele muna kongo. Oh waitate muna kongo. Waitate muna kongo. Oh matanuzi mone kende muna kongo. Si bobilanga pakundu muna kongo. Endundu si pelekete muna kongo. Endundu si pelekete muna kongo. Bila kese tuna muna kongo. Bila makinu tuna kina muna kongo. Patata visa tuna kweto muna kongo. Mba mama visa tuna kweto muna kongo. Oluso lele kumamu meno muna kongo. Mono ngeli ngele kombe muna kongo. Kejika ngeli kwenda muna kongo. Oh mono ngeli ngele kombe muna kongo. Mono ngeli kombe muna kongo.